Making some good progress on the Peugeot. It feels like it really wants to go, man, but it's still way too fat. So first thing I'm going to do in this episode is down jet. So I pulled my jet out. That's one of the things I love about these little motors is you only have one jet to contend with. It's so cool. Anyways, this is a 79, which is way too fat from the little bit of research that I was doing. So I'm going to throw a 76 in, which I have a feeling is probably still going to be too fat, but I'm going to throw it in for now and we'll see how she runs. Let's go for a rip, see if that improves the tune. So that went pretty well. The 76 is a massive improvement over the 79 jet, but I'm still four-stroking just a little bit more than I want to. And I do want to keep it rich, especially because of the hot weather and everything. But I think that 2 steps down to a 74 is going to be just about perfect. I think that this will be fat enough that I'm still getting plenty of fuel and I'm going to be able to hold this thing at wide open throttle on hot days and not have to worry about seizing. But I think it'll also be lean enough to make some really good power. So I'm going to install this little guy real quick and then we'll see how it runs after that. The 74 jet feels really good. There is a little bit of a cutout that happens though. It's kind of strange, just as I rev it up and I get up to speed, it kind of cuts out and then it'll let me rip some more and then it kind of cuts out. It's an unusual feeling. I don't know what it is. Maybe I need to clean my exhaust. I'm not too sure. But anyways, this setup feels really fast now. Let me just run you through it if you haven't seen my other videos. Stock case halves. Matched 70cc Polini jug and head with a decomp. NGK B8HS Partie CDI timed with the keyway. Dellorto 1515 with a 74 jet now. And some type of intake. I think it's a Malossi or something. Stock exhaust that I haven't messed with, but I think that somebody pulled the baffle out because this thing is really loud. Malossi 2-speed variator and stock gearing, 11-tooth front sprocket and a 52-tooth rear sprocket. Next episode with the Peugeot here, I'm going to get it really looking nice. I'm going to polish it up and get some side covers on it, change the headlight, put a fender on the front, and really just make it look a lot nicer.